Welcome to the STEMpower Platform, your gateway to exploring exciting careers in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and beyond. STEMpower was created to help girls see themselves in STEM careers, to show that STEM is exciting, creative, and a space where they belong. Our new homepage makes it easy to start your STEM journey. With a user-friendly layout and quick access to all resources, it's designed to guide you through every step. The Students page navigates through career profiles and modules, as well as useful information that helps students understand what pathways are available and encourages them to participate in STEM in school. They can also explore interactive tools and find resources designed for primary and high school students. Some girls think STEM isn't right for them, or maybe they've been discouraged from a STEM career in the past. Our myth-busting section covers off a number of misconceptions and shows them that STEM is for everyone. Our Parents and Community page provides valuable information and tips on how to support young women on their STEM journey. It's all about building a network of encouragement and understanding. We include sections to encourage parents who may not be good at STEM themselves and show potential careers in STEM that they might be suitable for. For teachers, we have useful resources to maximise STEM participation. For career advisors, we have ideas to help give STEM-relevant guidance to girls. We've come a long way. Our new platform builds on your feedback, making it easier to explore careers and connect with inspiring role models. With a refreshing look and updated content, our avatars and modules are now more engaging and relatable than ever before. Our updated learning modules make it easier than ever to explore the world of STEM with a fresh design and more engaging content. Meet inspiring role models like Dr. Catherine Ball and Charlie Chan, leaders in AI, showing us that if you can see her, you can be her, or if you can see them, you can be them. Students can explore the AI landscape and access valuable resources such as events, websites, and downloadables. Many government resources will be included to build on the existing platforms and initiatives in the STEM sectors. Curious about where a career in AI can take you? Explore career profiles like the AI prompt engineer and see what degrees or alternative pathways can get you there. Students can find their ideal STEM career by searching based on their combined preferences based on industry, skills, subjects, and personality traits. STEM events gives all platform users access to a vibrant ecosystem that can be searched for by audience, type or topic. This project is proudly funded by the Australian Government's Department of Industry, Science and Resources, supporting our mission to empower the next generation of young women in STEM. Join us as we launch this journey. STEMpower is coming soon.